Hello everyone, this is G-Shock High Fashion channel and welcome to another G-Shock watch unboxing and review video. Today I'm wearing like 6 different G-Shock watches on my wrist. I need all of this, literally. I really need to wear all of this to power up the energy for me to finish this video because there's a lot of G-Shock watches that I need to cover. Kazu G-Shock Japan decided to drop all of this 32 different pieces all at once this month, which definitely will break our banks, but that's why I'm here to explain to you guys which one will be worth it and which one is not, in my opinion, of course, as a collector, not just as a regular consumer. I'm gonna start by talking about the 2 new color series, beginning with the bright and orange and then the navy blue series. 5 brothers, another 5 brothers, just in different colorway. There are no new added functions in here, guys. If you want to know all the details for all of these different models, you could check the unboxing and review video, but in this type of video they are just new colorways. The bright orange will features a black and orange color combinations. The navy blue will feature a navy blue layer with green accents on the watch face. It looks like green to me, or turquoise, somewhere around that spectrum. And if I have to compare between both of these series, I gotta say I'm into the black and orange more. But the navy blue looks beautiful as well, probably because I already own this GRB100, which came in black and orange of some sort. But this one is rose gold and dark gray, but you get the idea though. However, if you look at the poster photo for both of this model, you will see that they look really incredibly beautiful. Like the essence pop up very well. But keep in mind, this is a poster photo and not an actual real life image. If you want to see the details, check the article from my Navi. They already published this photo like a couple weeks ago already. So you have a rough idea how the watch will look like in person, just in case you are deciding to purchase them before they were released. For me, however, I'm not a fan of this. This is just a new colorway. They're most likely not gonna sold out. They will end up sitting on shelf anyway, so I wouldn't recommend you guys to rush to get any one of this colorway at all. But if you are into the colorway, then go ahead. For me, however, as a collector, I'm gonna pass. As a consumer, I would say pass as well, because there are a lot of other models that in my opinion will be better for the price. Alright, that is 10 models out of the way. Now let's have a look at some more models, which is a collaboration series now. Beginning with the SLG 7 Lucky God, the Red Back Sneaker Freaker, and this the D100 series. D100 collaboration series, which is featuring a DW5600 model, which somehow a downgrade from the previous collaboration. D100 series used to make collaboration as well back in G-Shock 30th anniversary, where they released a square model in solar and wave scepter version instead of this basic 5600 model. At that time, they just picked with black and white colorway. That model looks simple and quite popular as well at that time. But this model, however, it is simple, but even though the watch is just a 5600 model, which didn't have a lot of functions anyway, but I appreciate the box that came along with the watch. It did feature a Master of G style of packaging, so that will give us a little bit more premium feels during the unboxing process. If I was able to grab this, I will in the future. But I have a feeling I'm gonna hold on this. I'm focusing more on other models that's much more limited edition. For example, the Red Back series, which will cost you about 19,000 Japanese yen, just 2,000 yen extra than the D100 series. Since they released these both models at the same time, I gotta say the Sneaker Freaker Red Back model wins. Like totally beat this D100 series. Unless you're a fan of the D100s, no offense. It's just my opinion. I like the Red Back models a lot. Most likely because of the new colorway, gray. I haven't seen any 5700 in gray colorway yet, even though the functions are just the same though. Keep in mind, this D100 and the Red Back, the functions are just the same. The difference in price is just for the hype, the brand, and also the design. Of course, the Red Back is much better in my opinion. Next collaboration is the 7 Lucky God, which I already talked about a little bit in depth in previous videos, so I'm gonna totally pass on this model. Let's move on to the next color series, and that is the Blackout Basic, which will feature 4 new models, not new models, all the models in a new colorway are black, as the name goes. Blackout Basic, one of the most popular series right now. This time Chaos released a G001 adjacent model, which is not a popular models among regular consumers, but really popular among collectors. Next we have a DW-D5500, a mod structure, a really incredible square G-Shock watch, but for some reason aren't as popular. I have no idea why. It is really great timepiece. And next is a DW6900 model, which probably the third version of this Blackout Basic. The difference is that this model will came in a black glass watch face. It is totally similar to the previous release except the watch face. And there's a new model, of course, the 5900, the first 3i G-Shock watch that was released in the year 1992, if I'm not mistaken, or year before that. Anyway, this is another 3i before the 6900 model was introduced. If you are the type of person who always get annoyed by the design of 6900 model, where like only 10% will make up the display panel, the rest is just aesthetics, you will be annoyed even further with this 5900 model, where the display panel is much smaller, like literally less than 10% space down there. The rest is just for design, aesthetics. It's just really ridiculously for a regular consumer, but for a collector, for a vintage lovers, G-Shock lovers like me though, this is interesting. The price is just 11,000 Japanese yen. You definitely will be able to grab this below retails. The functions, keep in mind, the functions is much better than the 5600 as well, and also much better compared to the 6900. If you're annoyed with this Blackout Basic 5900, not to worry, Casio released another colorway which came in positive display to really mimics the one that was released in the year 1992. Similar except slight different in colorway with improved module, of course. Same price range, so you will get less annoyed. Moving on to the next model on the list, which is the one of the best analog digital model in my opinion. That is the GBA-800. The step tracker model, the one I'm wearing right now, is the digital display version, which I will be giving away for free. Check my other video. I already explained all that on how to win this watch. Anyway, we're gonna have a look at 4 new colorway which represent NBA jersey color team, if I'm not mistaken. It has to do something with dagger shots by Kevin Durant in the Golden State Warrior. That's feature royal blue and orange accents GBA-800, and for the 2018 jersey as well, which in white and a little bit of royal blue accents. And there's another one in black and green for Celtics. Don't quote me on that, I might be totally wrong on this, but I'm guessing for Celtics. And there's also another one in orange and blue for Lakers. However, if you're just a regular consumer and if you just want a watch and you don't care about the this team, the backstory and all, the colorway alone is incredible in my opinion. It looks very good compared to previous models, and they have all the springs on the watch band as well, so that makes this series a lot more special. And the price is 18,500 Japanese yen. I believe to be slightly more expensive compared to the basic version that was released before, but for this colorway, for these color combinations, it is incredible. Just pick any color that you like to match with your favorite team. Moving on to the next category on the list is the GSD-B100 series new colorway for the Bluetooth G-Steel model. This time full metal with blue watch face, which reminds me of a Casio Oceanus somehow, does it? Next is a rose gold IP plated bezel with navy blue watch band, and another one with black watch band on IP plated to blue bezel, which looks simple but pretty beautiful in my opinion. The price will increase a little bit as well due to this added feature, but the functions are just the same. The rest are exactly the same. And also, this is not a limited edition, they're just special colorway. They will be limited, but not as limited as all of those collaboration just now. So I'm okay to not grabbing this right away. I'll pass on this right now. I will be grabbing one of this in the future. I haven't reviewed them yet though, but I will in the future. And by the way, if you want to make all of this process a lot quicker, and if you want to see me unbox all of them as soon as they've been released, like right away, you could do so by donating to my Patreon page, become a patron, or just buy any one of my shirt merchandise as well. I mean, this is the most efficient way for you to support the channel, and that will allows me to buy all of this G-Shock watch right away, unbox them, give you guys all the information needed before you make decision whether you should grab them or not. So I'm literally saving your money right now. Anyway, not just that, you will have a chance to win this GBD 800 Snapdragon Digital G-Shock watch right now. I'll make the announcement on 20th or 22nd of November of the month. Of course, it's November. So if you buy any one of my merchandise right now, you will be automatically entered the giveaway and stand a chance to win this watch. Still in the topic of gift, Casio also made new Lover Collection G-Shock watch, 4 new sets, which I believe to be intended to be given as a gift. So that's why they came in pair. G Steel 300 series matching with a Casio GMS. Incredibly beautiful. I believe the most beautiful Lover Collection yet. But the price though is extremely expensive. This G Steel 310 model will start at 52,000 Japanese yen. Almost similar price as the Bluetooth model already. God, it is expensive just for the appearance. Just because they add the diamond on the index. Just a cutting diamond. That's all. Not just an actual diamond. So I'm not sure about you guys, but if you like the appearance, go ahead. For me, however, I'm gonna pass on this. I mean, the functions are just the same though, just for appearance. There's other options. One is in white and rose gold and full pink square, and also a GA110 and a DG model, of course, which will have 4 diamonds placed on the index, one with a rose gold accents on it. That is to represent the 7th time Casio G-Shock celebrate this celebration. So that's why they placed the diamond at 7 o'clock index. And let me count it. So 5th anniversary, 10th anniversary, 15th, 20th, 20th, 25th, and 30th and 35th anniversary. So altogether 7th time. So 7 o'clock index. So that's explain it. And the price will be like 47,000 Japanese yen. I don't know, man. It's just too expensive for me. So I'm gonna pass on all this right now. So even though it is extremely limited edition limited for only 35th anniversary only, but I'm gonna pass on it right now. I'm gonna focus more on the Master of G Magma Ocean series, the most hype up model of the month, I believe of the year as well, and also happened to be one of the most expensive one after the Gold Tornado. Especially the MTG-B1000, it will start at 125,000 Japanese yen. The functions are just the same though. This is just for the finishing, the IP plated metal bezel, since it will came in metal bracelets, so that increased the price as well, and all those rose gold and red accents. It is incredibly beautiful piece, but the price, I don't know, man, it's just extremely expensive. And next is similar color team as well. There's the GPS Rangeman and the Frogman. GPS Rangeman will start at 110. The Frogman will start at 80,000 Japanese yen, which will be the most affordable Master of G 35th anniversary when you think about it. So I believe the Frogman will sell out first, but then again, that is not a titanium like this. This is much more limited edition. That is just stainless steel. But the price is lower, so that will sold out. I don't think the Rangeman and the MTG will sold out right away though. They will sold out over time, like a couple of weeks from now. You guys will have the time to, gather up some funds and try to get them right away at retail. But I'm going to try my best to grab the MTG-B1000 first, probably because I haven't reviewed them yet. And of course, of how beautiful it is. Extremely limited edition as well. Since I already have a Frogman and I already have the Rangeman, why not grab this one instead? Focus more on this and then grab the other models on the list. And I believe that sums it all up for this November 2018 release. My top 3 favorite will be the MTG. Next probably be the G Steel. Even though I say that I'm not gonna grab the GST 300 series, but I gotta say this is incredibly beautiful. So this will be my favorite. Next model will be the DW5700 Sneaker Freaker. I gotta add that on the list because it is just gorgeous. It's just beautiful. I will try my best to grab this Sneaker Freaker as well. I believe this is the most affordable one that I could get right now. We'll see how it goes though. Alright, for now that sums it all up. Let me know what you guys' thoughts and opinion are. Which one will be your favorite, or just which one will you pick up first? Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you for becoming my patron, and also appreciate you for purchasing my merchandise. That is all. Thank you very much for watching again. This is G-Shock High Fashion Channel, and